Man, so this is that creek. Whoa, it's cold. Water is rolling pretty good. Tons of water. Look at this. This is... So not only is this completely flooded, and you can hear the frogs going crazy, but look at this, the water's actually running up through this channel into that backyard over there. So let's take a look at this. Look at this, the whole water's moving in the opposite direction. Jeez Louise. That is a lot of water. That whole, I mean, that is a lot of flooding. Let's get over here and look around. Just goes to show how useless everything I did is. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is crazy. The frogs, man, are going nuts. You can hear that? Oh, wow. Jeez. I can't even take my car over there behind those apartments because man, I hope you can hear those frogs, man. They are going crazy. Look at all that debris and stuff. Jeez. All right, I'm getting wet. Later.